Adding a graphic to create a t-shirt mockup is not complicated in Affinity. Let me show you how to do it in this tutorial. So I've already cut two images in this document, a t-shirt and a fabric image. We'll work on the t-shirt first. I've also prepared my graphic on a separate document. Now I'm gonna place the graphic into the first image, which is the t-shirt. So I'll drag out the graphic document until I can see the t-shirt. Next, with the graphic layer selected, I'll drag it into the t-shirt document. Then I'll close the graphic document. Besides dragging it, I can also go to File, Place, select the graphic file, and click Open to place the graphic over the t-shirt. Alright, now let's move the graphic to fit it into the t-shirt. We don't want it to be a flat graphic, but we want it to follow the t-shirt wrinkles. So with the graphic layer selected, I'm gonna change the blend mode to multiply. Then I'll go to Filters and select Displays. On the Live Displays window, I'm gonna click Load Map from Layers beneath. Now we can see the graphic is already matching the t-shirt wrinkles. I can drag the slider right here, up or down to adjust the strength. But I won't do it too much, since the graphic is going to be zaggy. So just a little bit is enough. Once it's done, I'll click Close. The Displays filter we've just applied is a live filter. It's non-destructive, which means we can modify the settings again anytime we want. Just double click on it and play with it any way you like. Now let's try it on another image, which is the fabric. Let me duplicate the graphic, remove the Displays filter, and move the fabric image up. With the graphic layer selected, I'll make it bigger and rotate a little to make it straight. Next, I'll make sure the blend mode is set to multiply. Then I'll select Filters and click Displays. Now same as before, I'll click Load Map from Layers beneath and slide the strength a little bit. Then I'll click Close. So that's it, our t-shirt mockup is done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye.